If you want to set custom watch faces like these on your Galaxy Fit 3, then you're watching the right video. My name is Prakhar, you're watching Wearable, and in today's video, I'll show you how to add custom watch faces or custom wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. You can easily change watch faces on your Fit 3 by tapping and holding the home screen and scrolling through all the available watch faces. But to set your own photo as a watch face, you'll need the connected smartphone. So first things first, open the wearable app on your smartphone and make sure that your Fit 3 band is connected to it. Now go to the watch faces section and select this watch face that has a photo of a cute dog with its tongue out. Now by default, this watch face is installed on your Fit 3 and it should appear under favorites. However, if you have removed it, then you'll need to scroll down and add it back to your Fit 3 band. So just select this watch face and tap on Customize button. Now you'll see three segments: background, clock type and clock color. In clock type, you can choose the positioning of the clock widget. You can place it either at the top or bottom. Similarly, you can also choose the color of the clock widget from the clock color segment. To choose the custom watch face, you get two options in the background segment: camera and gallery. Select gallery and choose the photo that you want to set as your wallpaper on your Fit 3. I'm going with this one. After selecting the desired image, tap on done. Now from here, you can resize and set the photo according to your liking. You can zoom in, zoom out and move it around. You can also edit the photo from here. You can adjust the brightness, exposure, contrast, highlights, saturation, etc. When you're done, just tap on done and select save to add it to your watch, and that's it. That's how you can easily set your own photo as a watch face on your Galaxy Fit 3. You can add multiple watch faces repeating the same process, and you'll be able to switch between these watch faces just by tapping once on the display. Pretty neat, right? And that's all for this one. If you found this video informative, then do like the video and subscribe to Wearable for more smartwatch tips, tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.